Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how you can do your PowerPoint presentation with a voiceover. The video link that I sent you was for, I'm not sure which version of PowerPoint, but this is the version that I use and maybe this is the one that you have at home. I downloaded this one from STC, so this one might be the one that you have. So if that's the case, then this will be helpful for you. So for you to actually record a voiceover of your PowerPoint, right here in the tabs, you're going to click on Slideshow, and then right under that, you should have this where it says Record Slideshow. And so once you click this, you'll be able to go throughout your PowerPoint presentation. See, and so now you see the timer going. It is recording me. I can pause it if I want, but so this is where you just start talking, however it may be that you need to highlight something. You can also pause if you need to. You can redo it. And so you just need to kind of play around with this and see whatever it is that you need to do. But so this is how you do it. And then once I'm done, I'm going to end the show. And it might be kind of hard to see. Let's see. Do you see? Now I can see that my recording is there. I can delete this if I want. If I don't like the voiceover, I can delete it. But that's how that goes. You can see it there too. So now how do I turn this into a video? Right, so you're not going to do the normal save or save as. If you want this in a video, you're going to need to choose export and you're going to click on MP4. And so, I don't know, let's do this as voiceover tutorial. Okay. And I'm going to export it. And so, sorry, I know I got a lot of work on my computer. But so then here it is. Now here is my MP4. And then this is what you can use to upload onto YouTube. Let's see if it'll let me open it. Well, yeah, a little while ago it was giving me issues. It's like it cannot open on QuickTime. But then if I clicked it a few times, it did work. There it is. All right, and so let's see. See, and so now you see the timer going. It is recording me. I can pause it if I want. But so this is where you just start talking, however it may be. All right, and so that's it. That's how it works. You feel free to use this if you need to. Of course, you can use another tool that you have or you're already familiar with, but I wanted to show you this in case you needed a tutorial on this version of PowerPoint. So hopefully that was helpful, and let me know if you have questions.